Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Living Out of the Norm. I know most of people are here to check it out, our earth block machine or earth block making, but there are still a lot more we have to do on our property, and this is one of them. I hope you enjoy our video. Please like and subscribe and follow our journey.
That's the wrong side.
Yeah, wrong side again.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this and you're gonna glue it, and then you hold that side. You might be able to get ready. Go up above your head. Now put it down. No, put it toward you, the other direction. That way. That's good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank goodness we have Greg here.
And then we
I don't want to be responsible on this. He'll be yelling at me.
I'll yell at Greg.
There's something that I'm held responsible for, you know. Good luck finding this.
And we are well aware that this trench is way too wide for this sewage pipe. Next time we have to do something like this, we'll definitely do a different way. We screen dirt to make sure the pipe is resting on a soft, undisturbed ground. Thank you so much for working hard.
Always.
Sometimes.
Maybe.
So this is a sewage line from house to the septic area, which connects to the RV hookup. Yes, we do have skid steers. We should be doing this with skid steers so we don't have to do this manually. But Eric is out of town and nobody knows how to use skid steer. So this was the way we have to do it. Greg and Ayano helped us big time on this project, and we appreciate them very much. Chico-chan. Chiki. Developing your own homestead is not easy, and we have a lot to learn. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.